Hello, this is a VR crossbow, version 1. The crossbow is designed for the Cobra system bow. The bow is cheap and readily available at any store. It is very compactic. It can be easily stowed in a backpack. The stock folds over to the right side. The crossbow is printed on a 3D printer. It is easy to build and operate. It had easy mounting of the bow. To build it, you need a round aluminum profile with a diameter of 20 mm and a thickness of 2 mm. And also an aluminum U-profile with dimensions of 20 by 20 mm and a thickness of 2 mm. The crossbow is designed for arrows with a thickness of 8 and 8 mm and the length of an arrow without the point of 270 mm. The trigger mechanism is very simple and reliable. The trigger works lightly and reliably. The crossbow has a RIS rail. Most of the sights can be mounted on it. At the bottom, the crossbow has a mounting in the MLOK system. Any handle can be installed in this system. If you are interested in printable STL files, they can be downloaded from the link provided in the description.